Hey guys, this is another Zippo lighter trick slash tutorial. So basically, it's a combination of the pants light and the wraparound. I don't have a name for it yet, but slowly it should look something like this. So yeah, so it's the opposite of the pants light sort of. Instead of opening with the cap, you're gonna open the body with your leg. So the first part is pinch grip, like this, thumb and index finger. Slide the corner against your pants so it opens. Once it opens, you do the wraparound. Take your middle finger, twirl it, ring finger, twirl it again, index finger, right here, bring it down, middle finger down, light, and then put it like this here, and then flick it closed. Alright, once again. Alright, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.